Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 once again, and this time is going to be a video of my 2016 Ford Mustang 5.0. This car has Corsa Extreme axle backs, and it also has some Kooks headers. So, alright guys, hope you guys enjoy the cold start. Alright guys, let's go on a drive. So for this video, I'm just going to be running on regular 91. This car is capable of running E85 also, but getting E85 close to my home is kind of a mission. So yeah, for this video, podcast will have to do. Alright guys, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to subscribe and comment down below content you guys would like to see. Typically I've been doing mostly content of my cammed single cab GMC Sierra. People seem to enjoy that content. I haven't really branched out so much to doing content of my 2016 Ford Mustang, but yeah, here's a video of this car. I would like to do some more videos of this car, reach broader audiences. I mean, my name is Andre Garcia 5.0. That being because I've had this car for way longer than that truck. I've had this car for, it's gonna be 7 years this year. Oh wow, time really does fly. Yeah, I've had this car for almost 7 years. It's been great to me, reliable. No complaints whatsoever. So the mods I have in this car are Kooks headers, Corsa Extreme axle back. Let me say, it's ear-piercing loud. A video will not do justice to how this sounds in real life. The topic of this video is mostly just gonna be me just driving around and talking about my experience with this car and this exhaust setup. If any of you guys are interested in getting headers or Corsas for your Mustang, or I mean, even if it's not a Mustang, hey, you're more than welcome to watch. So yeah. This setup has zero drone. What Corsa advertises is 100% legit. Zero drone. When I pop this car in 6th gear on the freeway, dead silent. It's almost as if it was stock. No joke. But when you decide to get on it, listen. I've been hyper focusing on my truck, not gonna lie. But yeah, this car is a blast to drive. If any of you guys are in the market to get a S550 Mustang, I recommend it. But anyways, as I was saying, so I have an Air 8 cooler intake. I also have a McLeod RST clutch. I also have DSS axles rated for 800 horsepower, I believe. I have a GT350 wing. That's about it, to be honest. It's running on a Michelin Pilot Super Sport tire. It's a pretty good tire. It has a lot of grip. It's also good in the rain. And yeah, mods wise, that's it, to be honest. It's honestly a basic setup. It's nothing special, to be honest. But to be honest, even those small bolt-on mods have made the world of difference for this car. It has made the driving experience a lot more fun. How is this car compared to my cam truck? Let me say, it's two totally different animals, two different experiences. This car, when you drive this car, you're low to the ground. It feels nothing like a truck. Also, when I punch it, it's a lot faster than my truck, I will say. Especially when I'm running on ethanol. Oh, speaking of ethanol, I'm tuned by Lund Racing. I have their flex fuel tune, 91 octane tune, and E85R tune. Currently, I'm running on the 91 octane tune. As I said before, getting E85 in this area is a little complicated. Well, not complicated. It's just a 45-minute drive. But yeah. It doesn't do too bad for itself when it's running on pump gas. So let me do a little pull right here in Mexico. So yeah, mods wise, that's about it for this car. All right, this is gonna be an outside. This is gonna be an outside clip of how my exhaust system sounds. there she is. Little walk around. Alright, so now let's do a little POV drive. My GoPro's almost dead, so this is gonna have to be short and sweet, unfortunately, but do not worry guys, I will make more videos of this car. Don't forget guys, if you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what else you guys would like to see of this car or my truck. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. I am my own downshift rev match. Oh, it looks like we have a nice free road in Mexico. Let's see what she does. Lovely. As you guys can see, it's dead silent in here now that it's in 6th gear. Well guys, you know what they say, all great things must come to an end, and so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below your thoughts. So yeah guys, don't forget to share it to your friends. So yeah, if you don't like 5.0s, if you're here for my truck but you know somebody that likes 5.0s, bring them my way. I'm planning on doing some more 5.0 content, but don't worry guys, this truck is not going anywhere. But yeah guys, see you guys on the next one. Peace.